Lovely, wooded views with a creek await you at this updated, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, oversized 2-car garage home on almost 4 acres in the City of Whitehouse. This stone home offers an open floor plan, vaulted ceiling, tile throughout, and windows galore across the back. The kitchen boasts of granite countertops, island, new appliances, and stained cabinetry and is completely open to the living and dining areas. Split master bedroom is complete with closet plus roomy master bath consisting of double sinks, generous shower, and a walk-in closet. 2 guest rooms share a hall bath and provide space for family or guests. A spacious, covered, back porch is perfect for enjoying morning coffee or a sip of wine in the evening while enjoying the peace and tranquility and pretty landscaping. The 3rd bath is off of the garage, convenient for outside work. And the garage is also air-conditioned. An added bonus is a city park right across the street. This is a wonderful opportunity. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.